Hello guys, I hope you are well and I hope you haven't paid any unnecessary fines since my last video. In this short video I'm going to teach you how can you pay the Bulgarian motorway, which is the best option to pay the Bulgarian motorway. And this is one of the most easier option if you don't want to buy an OBU, an onboard unit. But of course, if you want to create a contract, you can do that. I'm going to show you how to do that. So the best way to do that, you can register on this website, but if you don't want to register, you can buy a route pass without registration, but the best way to do that, just to register. And if you registered, you can log in. And if you logged in, you will see a site like this. And on this website, you have the dashboard here, and you can pick the contract creating, the route pass. This one is for the cars, and the route pass will be the option to buy the ticket. But if you want to create a contract, you can do so. And you can pick you can choose two different boxes. One box is one toll pass box for Bulgaria only, and the other one is the Euro box. Just want to show you, there is the picture about those boxes. So that's the Euro box, and that's the Bulgarian only box. It's very easy to set the axles, the number of the axles, and the weight. And this one is a multi-box, as I said in my previous video. I'm going to introduce these multi-boxes at the end of this series. So thanks God, we have a couple of multi-boxes already, which gives you the option to pay the motorway in different countries. So it's just getting easier and easier. Now go back to the dashboard. So yeah, back to the dashboard. And if you click that one, that's the dashboard, and just create a route pass. So that's the easy option. And just one more sentence, just go back to the Toll Pass Bulgaria. If you click that, also you have two options, the prepaid contract and the postpaid. The postpaid version needs more details about your company, so you have to create a contract. And that's a little bit difficult, but if you want to stick with this, you can do, of course. And the other one is the prepaid contract, the creating prepaid contract. You can do that online. So all you need just the company details and a contact person, the vehicles, and you can then top up the box. But at this stage, now in this video, we are creating a route pass. We are just buying a route pass. So let's say we just want to go through Bulgaria, for example, to Turkey. So that means it will be a transit journey. First, we just create a one-way ticket, because we have no clue at this moment when is the back route. So, and we can, if you have an account, of course you can add the vehicles, but I just want to start at the beginning. So I just want to add a new vehicle, and let's say just Irish vehicle, and just pick a number plate, whatever, 221 T1234. That's it. Okay, and you have to set what kind of truck is that, and you have two options: truck between 3.5 tons and 12 tons, or the truck is over 12 tons, and that's the maximum gross weight. So of course, if we have an Arctic or a big truck anyway, that will be more than 12 tons. These other two is just bus. So at this stage we just go with the lorry. Continue. And then you have to pick the emission category, just for instance Euro 6. Continue, and here we are, the number of the axles. Let's say 5 axles. If you have more than 5, you can click this one. If you have less than 5, just pick the right one. Continue. And if you have any perishable or hazardous goods, you have to say yes. That I don't really understand that high fiscal risk, but at this stage just push the no button and continue. And the date is very important, because you cannot start your journey before the exact time you just set here. And of course you have to leave the country or leave that specific route by the end of the end date. So that's the end date, and you can check it's enough to go through or not. But basically, if you start here, it gives you a complete day to go through the country. So let's say that's okay. Or if the time is not enough because you have to take, I don't know, whatever break, then better to buy the ticket by part. So you should buy a shorter part of the route, and then you can take your time if you need, for instance, take a weekly break, whatever. But at this stage, let's say one day it's enough to go through the country. So continue, and now we have the map, and you can search the name of the town here, and let's say that's a border, which is within, entrance, country, that's within, but it gives you also you can enter coordinates, not just the name of the city, but as you see, that's in the middle of the town, which is not correct. So I can grab this and pull out to the physical border. You can scroll and then zoom out, and that's the border. Zoom in, and it gives you an exact coordinate. So that's the start point. So that's fine. Confirm, and we need an endpoint. And at this stage, if we want to go to Turkey, that will be, you can search the name of the place, which is Kapikule, but the other side, the Bulgarian side, is Kapitan. Easier to search. Kapitan, search, and Andreevo. And you can grab this sign here and put to the right place. And now that's the endpoint. And then you can say that, okay, confirm. If you want, you can select an intermediate point. If you're not happy with the route the system gives you, but actually it's quite good. Say that's the shortest one. More than 300k on highway, and more than, actually exactly 185k on first class road. If you're happy with the story, just push the generate route button, and it gives you a nice map with the details, with the price, and very important, you have to check the red routes, because you cannot use the red routes here. So if you're happy and if you allowed to use the route the system provided you, then you can go to the continue button and then hit that button, and the next stage it just starts. No, you have to click this box here, checkbox, as the driver is responsible for complying with traffic rules and temporary or permanent road restrictions when using the selected route. So you have to stick with that route and you have to comply with the traffic rules. So finally continue, and the system just starts generating the ticket. You can see here the process, and you can see the reg here and the category and the number of the ticket and the price. And you have to wait for the final screen, which is the payment. Actually, it takes a couple of seconds, maybe. Yeah, that's it. And that's the latest point I can show you, because I don't want to pay for that ticket. But you can choose a payment. At this stage, we don't have any contract, but if you have a contract, you can pay by your contract. But at this stage, the only option, we can use the bank card, and you can pay with the bank card. So if you hit the bank card, then you can give your bank card details here, and finally the continue, and the system generate the ticket. But the driver doesn't need that ticket physically, so your details get into the system straight, and they can check it by cameras above the road, so nothing you can do. And that's very easy, because before your driver get into the country, as a transport planner, you can create that ticket and no hassle. So that's it for now, guys. And make sure you just using the right route in the right time. It's very important if you have a ticket like that. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't miss any new video. I just try to provide you with important informations and preventing any unnecessary fines. So as I used to say, just keep your money in your wallet. Join the transport community today, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.